How is this table even standing? It has no solid legs, no hidden supports, just the 15 strings pulling against each other. At first glance, your brain refuses to believe it. But it's actually pure science. Let's take a closer look.
Look at this table. It appears to float in midair, supported by nothing but a few thin strings. No visible columns, no hidden brackets, just wood, tension, and the strange laws of physics. This is tensegrity, a principle that challenges everything you thought you knew about structure. The word tensegrity comes from tensional integrity, a term coined by architect Buckminster Fuller in the 1960s. The idea is simple. The object is held together by a continuous web of tension, while isolated components remain in compression. The compression members, like wooden beams, float inside the tension network, never touching each other. Imagine a table where the top and bottom platforms are connected by strings or chains. No glue, no screws, no rigid joints. The strings pull against each other, creating a balanced system. Push down on the top and the tension increases. The structure becomes stronger. The entire system is self-stabilizing. Building a tensegrity table begins with two wooden platforms, top and bottom. Precise holes are drilled at specific angles so the strings can follow the exact geometric path needed for balance. One string runs through the center, 3 others pull outward, and the tension is carefully adjusted until the entire structure locks into place. When you first see a tensegrity table, your brain refuses to believe it. The top appears to hover, floating in space, supported by nothing but air. But when you touch it, it feels solid. Press down, and it holds firm. The tension is real. Tensegrity tables are more than science experiments. They are works of art. Designers have created versions in wood, metal, and glass, each exploring the boundary between gravity and tension. The most striking versions are entirely made of wood, no metal, no glue. Just carefully positioned strings and precisely cut timber. Tensegrity is not a trick. It is real engineering. The same principles are used in bridges, stadium roofs, and even human anatomy. Our own spines function through a tensional compression balance. Tensegrity is also used in robots, and there is research into tensegrity materials for high-performance aircraft, where balance between tension and compression reduces weight while maintaining structural integrity. The tensegrity table is a reminder that structure does not require mass. It requires balance. What looks impossible becomes possible when tension and compression learn to work together. The next time you see something that defies gravity, ask yourself, is it held up or held together?